Hello and welcome to my channel. I am going to do Access Chapter 1, Capstone Loan Lending Management. I will do this assignment step by step and you can get your assignment done by watching this video. If you want me to do this assignment for you, if you want me to do this complete course for you, including Excel assignment, Assess assignment, PowerPoint assignment and Word assignments, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email that is mentioned in the description of this video. You can get my WhatsApp and email at the bottom of the screen that is showing here. You can hire me for your other courses like accounting, management, finance, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignment as well. So let's solve this assignment and solve each and every step in this assignment. So title of the assignment is Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Capstone Loan Lending Management. First step of the assignment is to download the Access file, that is a database file Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Capstone Loan Lending Management. This is the file that I have downloaded and we are supposed to solve assignment in this file. We will apply each and every step that is mentioned in the description in this file. So I have already downloaded. Let's move to step number 2 now. Step number 2 is open the loan officer table in the datasheet view and add the following records to the loan officer table. So we are supposed to add these records, these one in the loan officer table. For this we will open the loan officer table in the datasheet view. So let's go to the database file and open the loan officer table. So this is already open in the datasheet view. So we are supposed to add the record that are given here. So first name is John. So I will keep copying. We can copy or we can type as well. So I will keep copying this one. So first name is John. Last name is Badman. Then email is this one, that is John_Badman @ loanofficer.com. So this is the email. Then phone extension is given there, this one. Then the loan officer, that is the title. So title is loan officer. So now we will move to second record, that is this one. He is senior loan officer. So now let's move to the third record. So now we will move to the fourth record. Then now we are adding the fifth record. So we have added 5 records and last one is the sixth one. Oh, so sixth one is this one. So we have added all the records. So first one was loan officer, second one was senior loan officer, then third one was loan officer again. So loan officer, senior loan officer, officer, and after that senior loan officer, and managing loan officer. So senior loan officer, and managing loan officer. So we have added the record. Now it is saying that close the table. So we was supposed to add this record in the loan officer table in the datasheet view, and after adding this record, we will now close the loan officer table. So close this one. So next thing is step number 3, because we are done with step number 2. So step number 3 is you will now add information to loan table for the most recent loan that the firm processed. So now we are supposed to add the information to the loan table for the most recent loan that the firm processed. So let's go to the loan table. This is the loan table. Now it is saying that officer ID 5, member ID 15, loan amount 700. So we will add this one here. So officer ID is 5. Then the member ID is given, that is 15. Member ID should be 15. Then the loan amount is 7,000. Loan amount should be 7,000. And after that, term is 36 months. 36 months. And after that, interest rate is 15.41. So interest rate is 15.41. Then next is payment. Payment is 244.07. This one 244.07. That is the payment. 244.07. So 244.07. That is the payment. And after that, grade is D. So we will type D here in the grade. Then issue date is 12, 15 and 2018. 12, 15 and 2018. So we will type 12, 15 and 2018 here. So last one is loan status. That is this one. So I will simply copy this one and will paste there. So paste it here. So we are done with this and we have typed this one. So that is all about step number 3, where we was supposed to add the information to loan table for the most recent loan that the firm processed, and I have added this one, and you can see that this is added to this row. So this is added. So now we will move to next tab, that is tab number 4. So in step number 4, it is saying that sort the record in the loan table by issue date field in descending order, newest to oldest. Save and close the table. So now we are supposed to sort the record in the loan table by issue date. So let's go to the loan table. So this is the loan table, and we are supposed to sort the table by issue date. So let's look for issue date. This is issue date, and we are supposed to sort the record in descending order that is mentioned here. This one. So I will sort this by descending order. For this, we will go to the home tab. After going to the home tab, go to sort and filter and click on descending, because we are supposed to sort this in descending order. So click on descending. So we have sorted the loan table by issue date in descending order. So that is all about step number 4. So we have solved 4 steps for this assignment. Now let's move to next step, that is step number 5. So in step number 5, it is saying that open the maintain member form in the record 3 for the Brian Anderson member ID 13, add a new loan to subform. So now we are supposed to open the maintain member form. So we will save this loan table and we will close this now. So now we will open the maintain member form. Now it is saying that in the record 3 for the Brian Anderson member ID 13. This is the record 3. Member ID 13. Member ID 13, add a new loan to the subform. So we are supposed to add this a new loan. This is the new loan, and now we are supposed to add this new loan to the subform. So first we will go to the record 3. So click next record and then next record. So this is record 3, and you can see that member ID 13 and Brian Anderson that is mentioned in the requirement. This one, record 3, Brian Anderson member ID 13. So we are supposed to add the loan in the subform for Brian Anderson. So now we will add this record. So officer ID is 5. So officer ID is 5. Then loan amount is 17,000. 17,000. Then term is 36 months. So we will type 36 months here. 36 months. Interest rate is 4.35. 4.35. Then payment is 300.45. So payment should be 300.45. That is the payment. Then grade is B. Grade should be B. Then issue date is 9/1/2018. So issue date should be 9/1/2018. This one. And the last thing is the loan status, that is fully paid. So we will type fully paid in the loan status. Fully paid. So loan status is fully paid. So we was supposed to add this loan to the sub form for the member ID 13. Brian Anderson, record is 3. So we have added this one, and after this it is saying that this is all about step number 5. Now we will move to next step, that is step number 6, because in step number 5 we were supposed to add the loan and I have added the loan. So in step number 6 it is saying that when you need to navigate to a record quickly without a large number of clicks with your mouse, you can search specific information in the search field of the navigation bar at the bottom of the window. In this case, you are interested in adjusting information for the author with a member ID of 16, Tyler Fletcher. Use the navigation bar to search for member ID 16 and then added the sum form so that the interest rate is 12.54 instead of 0.1899 for the loan with loan ID 47. So first we are supposed to search for the member ID, that is 16. So let's go to the form, and here we are supposed to search for the member ID 16. So we got the member ID 16, this one, Tyler Fletcher, that is given here, Tyler Fletcher, this one. So we have searched for the member ID 16. Now we are supposed to edit the subform and we will change the interest rate to 12.54. So let's go to the interest rate. This one. We are supposed to change the interest rate for instead of 0. For the loan ID 47. So we are supposed to change this interest rate to 12.54 instead of 0.1899. So let's change this and then close the maintain member form. Then we will close this one. So you can see that loan ID is 47, that is mentioned in the instruction. This one, loan ID 47, we are supposed to change the interest rate for this loan ID, that should be 12.54. So we will change this one to 12.54. So we have changed the interest rate for the loan ID 47 to 12.54. After changing this, we will close the maintain member form. So let's close this one now. So that is all about step number 6. We have solved 6 steps for this assignment, and now we will move to next step, that is step number 7. So basically this assignment have 10 steps and I have shown you 6 steps for this assignment. So step number 12 is reports are used to neatly organize table data or query result into a document for presentation to co-worker and or supervisors. In this case, you are interested in confirming that the report you created based on the loans officer and members query is reflecting the appropriate information before sending it to your supervisor. So now it is saying that open the loan officer and member report. So we are supposed to open the loan officer and member report, this one, and then it is saying that shows 5 loans listing fully paid as loan status. So it is showing that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So it is showing 5 loans as fully paid. So next thing to do is fully paid. View the layout of the report in print view. Close the loan officer and member report. Open the loan officer and member query. Sort the query by loan officer field in ascending order. So now we are supposed to view the layout of the report in print view. After that, we will close this report and then we will sort the member officer, loan officer and member query. Sort the query by loan officer in ascending order. So let's do this step now. So let's go to the database file and we are supposed to view this in the print view. For this, click on file and then click on print and then click on print preview. So this is the print preview of this report. So now we are supposed to close this one and now we are supposed to open the loan officer and member query. So after opening this one, we are supposed to sort the query by loan officer field in ascending order. So now we are supposed to sort the loan officer and member query by the loan officer in ascending order. It is mentioned in the requirement, sort the query by loan officer field in ascending order. So this is loan officer field. We will go to home tab and then sort and filter and click on ascending. So we have sorted the loan officer query in ascending order and we are done with step number 12. So I have shown you 7 complete steps out of 10 steps. So now I am going to give you an overview for 3 remaining steps, how you can complete those steps. Then I will submit this assignment and will show you grade for this assignment, how much grade my student get in this assignment. So let me give you an overview of the remaining 3 steps, that is step number 8, 9 and 10. So step number 10 is use filter by selection to show only the loans managed by loan officer whose name is John Badman. So I have done this one. Let me show you. So you can see that I have set the filter, so it will show only the loan officer whose name is John Badman. So it is showing loan for only the loan officer whose name is John Badman. That is step number 8. So our next step is step number 9. So in step number 9, it is saying that sort the query by loan status in alphabetical order, save and close the query. So now we are supposed to sort this loan officer and member query in alphabetical order by loan status field. So this is the loan status field and I have sorted this by the alphabetical order. So it is showing current fast, then fully paid, then in progress. So it is sorted in alphabetical order. That is all about step number 9. So last one is step number 10. So step number 10 is open the loan table, use filter by form to create a filter that will identify all loans with a term of 36 months that also have an interest rate less than 0.11. Apply the filter and preview the filter table. So now we are supposed to apply a filter by form in the loan table and 2 conditions should be met for this filter. First one is the term of 36 months. So loan should have a term of 36 months and it should have an interest rate less than 0.11%. So let me show you the result for this one. So close this one and open the loan table. So you can see that I have settled the filter by form. So it is showing a term of 36 months only, no other term, and interest rate is less than 0.11%. So you can see that I have settled the filter and I have got the result for this one. So when you will toggle the filter on, it will show only the loan that term will be 36 months and interest rate will be less than 0.11. So I have done this step as well. Now I submitted this assignment for one of my client. You can see that first assignment Exp19 Access Chapter 1 Capstone loan lending management, and my student got 100 out of 100. This one. So I have submitted this for one of my client. I got full mark, 16 out of 16, 12 out of 12, 8 out of 8, then again 12 out of 12, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, and again 10 out of 10, 12 out of 12. So I have solved each and every step in this assignment. I submitted this assignment for one of my students. He got 100 out of 100. But if you want me to do this assignment for you, you can contact me on WhatsApp, email, or WeChat ID given in the description of this video. You can hire me for your other assignment like accounting, management, information technology, computer sciences, or writing assignment, mathematics, word assignment, and PowerPoint assignments. I will produce grade like this that will be A grade for you. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and comment to my video as well.